What? Now waiting. Now waiting. In the place of my friends, you go dey snore. Even where you dey even dey drink, you dey snore. If even still open your mouth in that matter, dey snore. Now waiting. Now waiting. Leave me. Leave me.
They train people inside this compound.
I don't know. Every time she go dey smell like person carry speaker for mouth, like pig every day.
Where is it?
She dey inside. Where she dey?
I hear me to me, but me.
Well, I see us live there. At times, girls go dey complain. They say that their own bad pass. I beg, if your girlfriend dey complain say too store, just go one day, go check her secretly. May you know that no be own bad pass. I better thank you for watching that very funny big boss comedy. I will subscribe. I beg, we don't feel.